Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today is Thursday, March 7th. We are doing pre-market review and we'll see how all the indices are doing. Nasdaq, S&P 500, Dow Jones, Russell 2000. We'll review crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We'll review all commodities, gold, silver, oil, natural gas, etc. And then at the end, we'll wrap up with FANG stocks, big market movers in US. And here basically are the charts which I usually share. Right side for those who are new are the daily chart. Basically, it's for day trading, not day trading, swing trading, and left side is the day trading chart only for today's trade. Okay, so red lines are resistances, green lines are supports, and this is only for today. Just want to make sure you guys don't take it as a long-term chart. All right, and guys, if you like the channel, please hit the like button. It only takes 1 second to hit the like, and that will help algorithms to reach to more subscribers. Please help me to grow my subscribers list. Share this channel with friends and family, and this content is free, so there's nothing to lose. So please share and subscribe as much as possible. All right, so let's look at cycle chart. This is SPX, S&P 500. So you can see we are topping out here, and that's exactly what happened. I was telling you we're going to top out on March 4th. You can see this cycle, yellow cycle, focus on yellow cycle for now, and you can see it's topping out and looks like we topped here. And now we are looking for a little bit of downwards movement. Okay, so basically this one ends around 20th March, and there's two cycles. One is dark blue line, one is light blue line. These two are ending anywhere from end of March to beginning of April. So there's some risk here. Okay, now there are some gaps. If I go to SPX, S&P 500 SPY, let me quickly show you that. Here you go, SPY. There's a gap here around 512. It's not filled, so I think they're going to go fill that gap. Actually, they are pre-market up 0.49%, so they are filling that gap. Exactly what I was thinking. So they're going to fill that gap, and then there's going to be a decision made, and we will see what happens because right now we are on resistance. Okay, so we are sitting on massive resistance on a future, so we're opening on a gap up. This is a good area to sell in my opinion. So we open on a gap up, we could see some momentum to the downside later on in the session, or we could hit a new high, or we could hit a new high and then we come down. All right, so there's still time till the end of March and beginning of April, so we could make a new high and then also come back, or we could just now just fill this gap and start going down like this. All right, but there's a period of risk coming, so just be careful. This risk is going to be another good opportunity to buy. I'm not looking for market to crash, so basically I'm looking for this dip, and then again after this dip there's going to be massive pump. So from here, looking for another massive pump from here. All right, so again, as an investor, nothing to do here. You don't need to worry about anything, but if you are looking to buy, look to buy this March opportunity is going to be a great opportunity to buy for another pump to new all-time highs later this year. All right, okay, that's on cycle chart. Let's look at live futures, and let me go to auto chart. Here you go. You can see resistance is right now on the left side, resistance right now 51, 33 and up. This is where we are in the sell zone exactly as we are speaking at 8:39 a.m. Eastern. Buy zones are below 50, 83 and below, and neutral zone is 51.07. The best sell short opportunity will be 51.52 and up. All right, so keep that in mind. And these lines are EMA lines. This is 20 moving average, green line is 10 moving average, and then this white and this yellow and red line is 50 EMA, 50 SMA. Okay, so it should find support in one of these lines if we get a dump. And you can see if we do get a dump, first support line is around this white line, which is 20 moving average, which is around 50.64. All right. Okay, let's look at Nasdaq, and MNQ is also in the sell zone. It's right now near 18,165. This is where big resistance is coming. For some reason, if it comes to higher, 18,261, that's a good perfect short area. The higher it goes, the better it is. This is a no-brainer short between second and third standard deviation. This is the best short here. So anything above 18,262 and up is a good short, and inversely, anything below 17,91 is a good buy, and then 17,816 and below is the best buy. Okay, and that's how these will be leveling. So if I move my cursor here, you can see on the right side also cursor moves. So 17, the first support is 17,916. That's where this 20 moving average is coming. So that's going to be a good buy as well. All right. Let's look at Dow Jones, how it's doing. Dow Jones is a little lower than the sell zone, so it can still go higher. So Dow Jones is right now near resistance. First resistance is 38,823. Second one is 38,938, so it can go higher. And buy zone is 38,527. And Russell 2000, which is IWM. You can see also right now it's near resistance. Okay, just hitting the resistance here right now, and also actually on a daily chart, I'm getting a 9 count sell signal and that's in line with the resistance. So if we go down 2049 and below is a good time to buy. One thing I forgot to show you is Nasdaq triple Qs. There's a gap around 443.78 that is not filled, so I think we are going to fill that gap today. So just wanted to make sure you guys see that. All right, now let's keep moving. Let's go to commodities first. Gold just keep going higher in a straight line in the sell zone, not interested here to buy. Silver also keep going higher in the sell zone. You can see just massive pump, no interest here at all. Crude oil, let's see, crude oil. No interest means I'm only interested when I'm looking to buy. I don't like to short in a bull market. I only look to buy. So I only look to find stocks that are in green zone. Crude oil is going to come in the green zone, 77.63 and below, near very good support. So coming closer to buy zone. And here you go, natural gas. You can see it's also coming closer to buy zone, 1.963. The gap is here, 1.86. That's where I will be looking to buy. And also you can see on a daily chart, I'm getting a 7 count sell signal here. Okay, so these green lines are the gaps to fill, so it can go lower. Dollar index DXY is now below this 50 SMA and getting closer to support. Now next support is here, and actually on the short term chart, today's chart is already in the buy zone. Bitcoin, let's look at Bitcoin. Keep in the neutral zone. All right, nothing, we don't do anything in the neutral zone. Resistance is above 68,000 and up. Buy zone is 64,562 and below. Okay, and you can see this, we got a 9 count sell signal on 5th of March, and you can see this could be blow off top. Is this going to be a lower high? Be very careful. If it's going to be lower high, it should like not go above this previous high, and it should break down. So, but the massive EMA lines could act as a support, but short term in the middle, nothing to do here. Wait for it to either go above 68 to short or 64,600 to buy. Okay, let's look at BTC futures. Same thing here. Futures are telling me 9 count sell signal today, but that's okay. This is live market. Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum chart. Ethereum is also in the neutral zone. Sell zone is about 38.74 and up. Buy zone is 36.75 and below. All right, and Ethereum futures. Let's look at futures here. Also just consolidating. It will do mostly whatever Bitcoin will do, so just be careful. Okay, it's massive. You can see on the long-term chart, daily chart, we have sell, we have green lines here. Okay, whenever they're top green line, that means it's over, very overbought, good time to sell. And whenever they're red lines, means very oversold, good time to buy. All right, so keep that in mind. And same thing with BTC, very oversold, overbought here right now. Let's look at commodities. Copper. Let me go to this one. Copper, massive move here. All right. Let's look at short term in the sell zone. Okay. Copper was in the buy zone a while ago, last week or like early this week, Tuesday. Massive pump. Okay. If you bought here, this was a massive pump, but now in the sell zone. So not interested in buying copper here. Not interested to do any here. Actually, it's a very good chart to be honest here. Palladium is right now in the sell zone. So massive pump yesterday. Soybeans is in the sell zone. Wait, let me check Palladium. Was it in the buy zone before? You can see massive pump on Palladium from here, 6th of March to higher. This is very good news. Those who took this trade, looks to be amazing news. Okay, what happened to my indicator? Not sure where did it go. Give me a second. Let me add my indicator again. Not sure what happened. Here you go. Zones. All right, let me check Palladium again with the zones. So massive pump here, and it was near very close to a buy zone before. All right, soybeans right now near sell zone. Not interested here. Sugar. Let's look at sugar here. Going from buy zone to the neutral zone. Wheat, and wheat is in the buy zone right now. Corn is, let's see, corn is in the sell zone right now. All right, and let's look at gold miners. Newmont mine in the sell zone, not interested in buying. Gold miners GDX is also in the sell zone here. All right, let's look at Hang Seng Index, which we missed. Hang Seng Index is right now HSI. Here you go. Is back testing the support line. Okay, was in the buy zone actually this morning around 2 a.m. Okay, so still very close to buy zone, below 18, sorry, 16,166 and below, look to buy, getting a 8 counts buy signal here. So I think it's near support, testing support, good area to buy. All right, so let's look at VIX. VIX is, you can see, I haven't looked at VIX for a while, but I was expecting this to touch here and then bounce, and that's exactly what's happening right now, because March is very bullish. So let me just delete it for now, because this thing turned out as I was thinking. But now we are a rejection yesterday. We could go lower, okay, on this trend line. So we still have room to go low. If it goes lower, then that means stock market will pump. But if it's going to be high low, it's going to go higher again. Okay, there's a gap around 21 that could come in picture at some point. I don't know when. We'll see. But bottom line is there is a gap here, 12.96. It could come all the way down to fill this gap. And if that happens, we're going to have a very bullish March. All right. But for now, as per cycle chart, I'm looking for more weakness later in the upcoming weeks. All right. Okay. So let's look at big stocks. Tesla in the buy zone. Okay. No brainer buy zone. This is where you want to buy. No brainer buy zone. Wanna buy. Close your eyes and buy here. UNH. All the stocks up is in the buy zone. Okay. UNH is also in the buy zone. Tomorrow is dividends. So look to buy here if you like healthcare. This is the biggest healthcare stock. Apple in the buy zone, no brainer buy. Google in the buy zone. All these stocks are in the buy zone. So from Magnificent Seven, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm giving you fourth stock, which is also biggest healthcare. So four stocks I'm giving you are in the buy zone. I might release the video later today to everybody to take profit of that. Netflix, let's look at Netflix right now. Here you go. In the neutral zone, Amazon in the neutral zone, Meta, Facebook had an outage, I think yesterday or day before, in the neutral zone. Microsoft touched the buy zone pre-market, was in the buy zone yesterday. Snowflakes is in the buy zone still after bad earnings. NVDA is in the sell zone. AVGO going towards sell zone. And last but not least, Shopify is also going towards neutral zone here. All right, guys, that's it for today. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you later. And please hit the like button on your way out, and I wish you all the best.